what's going on, guys? So I got a few more pops in that I've been picking up. My little collection's getting bigger and bigger. So I got these two from the Justice League. Got Aquaman and Batman. So those two for my collection there. But not really a big Batman fan. I don't see how you can classify yourself as a superhero when there's nothing super about you except maybe you're super rich. But okay, whatever. Anyway, picked up Beetlejuice. This movie was amazing when I was a kid. So, of course I had to buy it. But I also got this in. So let's have a look, see what we got here. I already know what it is. I've been waiting on this for about 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Box is damaged a little bit. They wrapped it too tight. Yep, here it is, guys. Bam. There we go. Got it unwrapped. The box is damaged, but that's okay. I don't mind. I don't know if you guys be able to see it or not. That is Deadpool Pikachu. Yeah. Too bad the box is damaged. Guess the dog decided it's time to come in. Anyways, guys, that'll do it for this video. Be sure to like the video, leave a comment if you want, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell icon for notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.